This morning we're showing you a video of a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. The car is in very good condition. It's basically all stock. You see the port windows there on that removable hardtop. She is not perfect, but doesn't appear to be having any rust problems. Doesn't appear to have any major body damage. And from what I can tell, and I'm certainly not a professional at Ford Thunderbirds, but she appears to be relatively stock and proper for the year. Does need some restoration work, but as you'll see in a few moments, she drives beautifully. You're welcome to come look at the car at our secure warehouse anytime you'd like. I think this would be a fantastic project for somebody who wants one of the most iconic classics out there. The interior is in relatively good condition, and you can see in the still pictures that we had the top off a few minutes ago. And in general, everything is functional. So good luck and happy bidding. I look forward to shaking your hand after you win this amazing classic car.